What's Windows Update Viewer? What can the tool do for you? Windows Update Viewer is a free tool for Windows 11 10s that allows you to view Windows Update history in detail on a user-friendly interface. It provides detailed information for each installed update, including the KB ID, title, and result. With Windows Update Viewer, you can easily view a list of installed updates, feature updates, quality updates, etc., in one place without any confusing categories. You can also exclude updates that you don't want to see permanently or temporarily filter them. Here are the steps to use Windows Update Viewer. 1. Download and install the tool from the official website. 2. Launch the tool by double-clicking on the executable file. 3. The tool will automatically detect your Windows Update history and display it in a user-friendly interface. 4. You can view detailed information for each installed update, including the KB ID, title, and result. 5. You can also exclude updates that you don't want to see permanently or temporarily filter them. Learn more. 1. GitHub, tim312/wuview, Windows Update Viewer. https://github.com/tim312/wuview. 2. Get the latest Windows Update, Microsoft support. https://support.microsoft.com/n-us/windows/get-a-latest-windows-update-7. D20E88C-0568-483-37BC-C38853990 D212.